Men start to miss you more when you understand and apply these 6 psychological truths. It's not about playing games or disappearing, it's about becoming unforgettable. Psychology tells us there's a quiet magic in being missed. And that magic comes not from chasing, but from the emotional space you leave behind. Men may not always express their feelings openly, but when a woman touches both their heart and mind, her absence becomes something they can't ignore. First, value your own time and space. A woman who lives a full life, rich with passion, purpose, and independence, is magnetic. She doesn't orbit around a man's schedule, she creates her own universe. And when a man sees that you're not waiting by the phone, but living fully, he starts to feel the pull. He begins to wonder, what is she doing right now? Who's making her laugh? Second, leave an emotional imprint. People forget what you said, but they never forget how you made them feel. Men miss the women who make them feel seen, safe, inspired, who brighten their world in subtle, soulful ways. Not through grand gestures, but through genuine presence, shared laughter, and emotional warmth. You become more than a memory, you become a feeling. Third, carry confidence with a touch of mystery. Confidence isn't loud, it's calm and unshakable. And mystery isn't about playing hard to get, it's about having layers. Let him discover you slowly, like pages of a book he doesn't want to finish. Men are naturally drawn to women who have more going on than they reveal. And when you're not around, that mystery lingers. Fourth, know when to step back. Give him the space to notice your absence. Not through cold silence, but with calm trust. Psychology calls this reactance. When people sense they're losing something valuable, they crave it even more. Let him feel the silence. Let him notice what's no longer there. That's when he begins to truly miss you. Fifth, connect to his mind, not just his heart. Physical attraction may draw him in, but it's deep conversations, shared dreams, and emotional intelligence that make you unforgettable. Be the woman who makes him think, who inspires him to grow, who becomes his calm and his fire. That kind of connection lingers. And sixth, let him miss you. Don't rush in to fill every space or silence. Give him room to feel your absence, to long for your presence. Trust that the impact you made will echo in his mind and heart. The ache of missing someone is born from silence, not noise. In the end, being missed isn't about manipulation, it's about self-worth. The woman who knows her value doesn't chase. Her presence is enough. Her absence is powerful. And when she walks away, the silence she leaves behind speaks louder than any words.